Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. It's called the notification bell, and I recommend that you press it. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video, and you will see in your inbox the picture from the video as well as the title of the video. So if it's something that you want to watch right away, all you do is you press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do upload a lot, and a lot of times, sometimes they're deal sensitive. So I want to make sure that if it's in your inbox, you'll know if it's something you want to watch right away or save for later in the day. But at least it's in your inbox as a good reminder to watch. All right. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I just want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. Okay. Today is a day that I love sharing with you guys because it's really where I started with getting subscription boxes. It was the IPSY bag. Then it was $10. Now it's $12, but it's still, to me, one of the best places to start if you want to see if you like getting a surprise bag filled with goodies once a month in a subscription. What I like about this bag is it gives you deluxe sample sizes, and sometimes they throw in a couple of full sizes. But with IPSY, it enables you with the $12 subscription to get all the other bonuses that happen at IPSY, which is the IPSY shopper, IPSY reviews. So when you get the products and you review it, you earn points, and those points get you free products. So it's a good way of getting a taste of this is what you would like to get. And for me, this was my gateway into these subscription boxes. So like I said, this is $12 a month. You usually get 5 full sizes, but this month we have, it's a special month. It's March 2020. And what they did was they're celebrating their 100th Glam bag. And by doing that, they put in each one of the bags an extra little gift. So it's usually a deluxe sample size. So instead of getting 5, we're going to get 6 items in this bag, and I'm going to share that all with you. They also had an extra bonus that if you did an add-on, and they have add-ons that are full-size products for around $18, majority of the full size are $12, and then the rest are $3 add-ons, as well as a couple of brushes that they put in the $3 section, and you can get those also. But what they did this month for the special month of celebrating their 100th Glam bag is that they gave you $2 off any of your add-ons that you chose. So I was able to choose an add-on that was a $3 add-on, and I only paid $1 for it. So I'll share that with you guys in this video as well. On my channel, you will see all 3 IPSY bags. You will see the Ultimate, the Glam bag plus, as well as this bag as well. And then you'll be able to make the decision if this is something of interest to you. Okay, so this month it's called Celebrate You. And they say this is their invitation to celebrate their 100th Glam bag, which I mentioned. And it's really exciting. They says now we're gonna get the 6 picks, everything that I mentioned already here. Inside here, they give a card with all the items that are here, as well as what the full size retail will be, even if it's a deluxe sample in here. And I love that they started doing that. We also take a picture prior to sitting down to film on YouTube, because I like to play with the products here. So for the Instagram picture, which is my Instagram is True Wants with the number 2, I usually open it up, pull the products out of the packaging, make sure nothing's damaged, everything's good, and then we take the picture, and then I put everything back into the bag, and then I pull everything out here. I have not looked at the card. I did be able to see some of the products that were in here, which is why I'm really excited to share that with you guys. All right, the first item for me is an item that I've already received before in a different bag. It's the GIRLACTIK Precise Eyeline Marker. Here's the one that came in the bag, and I'm just going to put it over here because that will be in a future giveaway. I did pull the one from my stash, and I was able to do that because I opened up the bag ahead of time. So what's marked here, it says it's the GIRLACTIK Precise Marker Liner. It says, look, if you love the look of liquid liner but can't master the flick, This felt tip marker will draw your wing with ease. It is a smudge-proof formula. It dries down to a matte finish and lasts from AM to coffee happy hour. And then it says the tip to this is to enhance your eye shape, keep the lines thin along the inner corners, and then you draw it heavier as you draw outward. And the full size of this is a $20 value. This is what the product looks like here. This is what the tip looks like here. And I'm just gonna do a fine line there. It really, really is easy to use. It is not a firm tip. It glides similar to a brush, but it's not a brush. It is truly a felt tip, and it has that point, which helps make things a lot easier. So that I thought was pretty good for a felt tip liner. So that's what that item is here. The next item that we received was from OFRA Cosmetics, and it's a bronzer in the Versatile Matte. It says they believe that your makeup should multitask as well as you do, which is why we're obsessed with this 3-in-1 powder. It's saying the matte medium brown shade can be used as a bronzer to give your skin an all-over warmth and to contour or sculpt your features, or as an eyeshadow to share on your lids. The tip is to dust it over your chest, your collarbones, or the top of your arms for a touch of warmth. What we received here is the Deluxe Sample Size, which is pretty big. I'm going to show it to you. And it says the MSRP on the full-size version is around $35. Now, this is the sample size. I mean, this is humongous. I cannot believe that this is the sample size. So that's what I mean by this bag being so amazing. And that's what the color looks like here. I'll just do a quick swatch. Just did one little swig, and then we'll just do it right above the liner. I'm going to do a second one here. I thought it was going to come across a lot darker based on the shade, but it's not. So I'm going to just do a second swatch right over it so that it comes up better on the camera. Wow, that is a lot better than I thought. I was a little scared, but not anymore. Really, really great. So like I said, they're calling this a deluxe sample size. Crazy. All right, the next item here is from Honey JARRET, which is a clean whip cleanser. And that's what the jar looks like here, the tube, excuse me. It says the perfect cleanser should do more than just cleanse, which is why we love this multitasker. Not only does it get you clean, it uses black tea to soften and brighten to help prevent breakouts, soothe inflammation, and boost your skin's moisture levels. Their tip is twice daily. Massage this cleanser onto wet skin. It will foam up, and then it will rinse everything away. They're saying this is a deluxe sample, and the MSRP of the full-size version of this product, which would be 100 Gs, is $18. I received a sheet mask from this brand, and I haven't had the opportunity to try it yet. This has a safety seal on the item here, and it is a cleanser, so I'm not going to put it on my hand. I just want to see if I can open it and see if there's a scent. No, it just smells clean. It's just a clean scent. All right, perfect. So that's that item there. The next item is from Naked Cosmetics. It came in this little box here. It says it is a pressed, it's a pressed eyeshadow, and it's in Mother Nature 05, and it's saying it says Palm Harbor, Florida, USA. I don't know, it's not saying manufactured or anything, it's just saying that on the back of the container here. All right, so here is the actual product here. They're saying it is a pressed pigment eyeshadow, like I said, in Mother Nature 05, and all the same information that was on the back of the box is on the information here as well. Okay, and that's what the product looks like here. We'll do a quick, very smooth. That's what the item looks here, and we'll just do a swipe above. Wow. You know what's surprising me is we got, I'm pretty sure, I can't remember which box it was. For some reason I'm thinking it's Allure, that I received the Naked Cosmetics in, I think I also received some in FabFitFun. I'm sorry, I'm trying to think where, and it's too many boxes. But I got it in loose pigments. Some of them came in these 4 jars, and then I got one on its own. And the one on its own, I've been loving so much because it was giving me this fantastic foil-like look. But it's always a little bit messier to use the loose pigments. I've been using that with Bare Minerals, and Bare Minerals first started, everything was loose. But so I know how to play with that, and they last forever, loose pigments. But this is blowing my mind that it is a pressed pigment. Unbelievable. Okay, really excited about that. Okay, so this is Naked Cosmetics Mica Pigment in Mother Nature 05. In case you had any doubt, this is all natural, pro quality pressed pigment eyeshadow. Is proof that clean cosmetics are just as legit as the conventional kind. The champagne pressed pigment goes on opaque with just one finger and is flattering on every eye color, shape, and that's it. So it says tip. Try the glossy lid trend to dabbing a bit of eye gloss. Vaseline works too, right on top. I don't think you need to do that. I think this is stunning. Okay, just beautiful. I don't know about Vaseline on the eyes, but if that works for you, I'm not going to judge. All right, that's there. And this is, they're saying this is a full-size product and it is only $14.99. The next item here is from Tatcha, the water cream. And if I didn't mention it, I don't think I did, you get to customize, even on the $12 bag, one item that you can put into your bag. And the one that I chose was Tatcha. I enjoy this product line. It's just really, really expensive. I got introduced to this product line on QVC, and whenever they run specials where they have kits and things like that, I usually do dabble into it, but they are just under $100 or over $100 usually for these kits. The value is there, but it's still a lot of money to drop on a product line. So when they showed that this was available, and then I saw that it was also available as a $3 add-on, I was really happy that if I wouldn't have chosen it, I still would have probably gotten it for the $3 add-on. So this here says, for oily skin needs, the hydration too, or it becomes dull, you can even end up producing more oil. That's where this luxurious lightweight cream comes into play. Think of it as the tall glass of water. It's packed with nutrient-rich botanicals that's specifically designed to hydrate the oil, congested-prone skin. The tip is to pop this cream into your fridge. It feels extra refreshing and will calm puffiness when you apply it. This is the deluxe sample size. The value of the full-size version of this product, which I think is a 50 ml, is $68. So like I said, to be able to try a $68 cream for $3, it's unbelievable, and it is filled to the rim. It is a really lightweight cream. I have used this product before. I'm really excited to have this little jar so I'll be able to take it with me on my travels, and that's what the cream looks like there. And it goes on so silky smooth. Your skin is like, drinks it in. The hydration is there, but it is lightweight. So if your skin is combo oily like mine, these water creams are a true delight. But even more so in the summertime when you don't want to wear any heavy moisturizers, these water creams are really, really great. So I was so excited to be able to get that. The next item was the one that I was hemming and hawing. Should I choose it as my pick or the water cream? And then I ended up getting it in my bag. So I was really excited when that happened. And it is from this brand called Belle en Argent. And it comes in these gorgeous boxes, retail boxes. I've gotten a couple of their bullet lipsticks already, and I got introduced to this brand through IPSY. So I'm really, really excited that they're really promoting this brand because I really think it's a good one. And this one is called Jealous of Us. And like I said, it comes in the retail box. And this here is the item that I received, and the color I think is just stunning. So this says it is also a deluxe sample size, which to me is, I just received a Thrive Cosmetics and it looked the same size as this, and it was their full size. So really, really excited to get this. So this says Belle en Argent Lip Lure Gloss in Jealous of Us. This gorgeous lip gloss gives you the best of all worlds. Have to calm down, I'm sorry. Okay, it says intense shine, long-lasting hydration, and a non-sticky feel. It's infused with lightweight yet highly moisturizing jojoba oil to reduce chapping. The best part, it will bathe your lips in a sheer neutral color with a gold shimmer tint. The tip is to wear this tinted gloss alone or on top of a lip pencil or layer with your favorite neutral lipstick. they're saying this is a deluxe sample size, and the MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $22. So let's open this up and see what we have here. There's no scent to this either. That's what the doe foot applicator looks like. And I want to go in an area that I don't already have creams. Oh, yeah. That's it. That is so beautiful. That is so my cup of tea. I love, love, love this type of color. So, like it says, there's so many ways to wear this. If you have a full pencil, you can put this on and then put this over it. You can wear this alone, or you can wear this on top. They said of a neutral lip, but I think this is really a versatile color. It's got that peachy color to it, that coral that I absolutely love. So wanted to make sure to share that with you guys. So like I said, this was a really exciting box. Then the best part was that I was able to add one item where I was able to get $2 off, and I saw in the $3 section a brush from the Complex Culture. And the brush from the Complex Culture is the line that IPSY either worked with this company or it's their brush line. I'm not sure which one, but I know IPSY has something to do with this brand, and it's called Complex Culture. I have been enjoying their brushes so much. This is a shadow brush. It is beautiful, beautiful the way the bristles are. The on the brush it says it is a precise eyelid brush. To me, that's a shadow brush. It comes with these gorgeous handles. They're so lightweight. They're so you can feel the luxury in them. But the bristles on these products apply products so beautifully, and I was very lucky that in my ultimate box I was able to get a foundation brush. So I'm really receiving a lot of these, but when I see them in the $3 section where I can even get them for $3, I grab them, but I got this for $1. So that really made it a total win, and it came in this little sleeve. So if you want to keep your products, you know, nice and clean, this is what that's for. So really happy about that. I cannot tell you how much I enjoy my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I guess you can tell. And I really truly believe that this is a winning bag. And I definitely think that if you are not getting any bags, this is where, when people write to me on Instagram, this is where I recommend that you guys get started. All right. Oh, I almost forgot the best part. Each bag comes with a bag. And they all come in different sizes, but they usually put the same material in each bag. This one comes, this teal bag was in all the bags. They all came with this type of decal, very 1970-ish type of bag, but it has the neon color. They're usually fully lined. This one is too. The name of IPSY is on here. So these are always really great little bags. But the fact that they put bags in every single one of their products and they don't put a value on that, that's another little extra feature that IPSY does that other people do not. All right, just wanted to share all that with you guys. And that's it for the IPSY Glam Bag, $12 bag for the month of March 2020. Thank you so much for finding my channel. Thank you for spending time with me on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.